She back or whatever. Okay. Hey girlies. So yes, I know that I look different. I'm using my iPad to film this because I want to start doing shop my stash looks, as you can see by the title, the title, the title, the title. The title's in the bottom. Okay, my bad. But yeah, I wanted to do something a little different with makeup for my channel, and I figured I'd just use my iPad because I can edit faster on here. I can edit within like a day versus like from on my computer where, girl, it takes photo. Anyways, so I am, if you never heard of these type of videos before, it's where you use just stuff you haven't used in your makeup stash in a long time. Or, yeah, I think that's, I'm supposed to be telling y'all what this is about, and I'm like, is that right? Girl, anyways, so look at what's on my face. So this is, wow, it does not look good on the camera. I feel played because it looks, oh, it looks ugly. It looks so ugly on camera. I got eyeshadow on my chin. Okay, yeah. I forgot how I haven't filmed on my iPad in a very long time, and I forgot how it just makes stuff not look pretty. So, but we move, sis. We move. So this is the look that I am recreating. Hopefully, I'll be able to put the actual picture up on in the video. But yes, this is what. Yeah. So this is what I came up with, and it looks awful on the camera. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to myself. But yeah, these are the two eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to be using today. I don't think I've ever used this one on my channel. But yeah, this is the, what is this called? Profusion Cosmetic Spectrum palette. That's the outside looks like. And she's a little beat up. That's because I absolutely love this palette. I highly recommend it. I think I got this from Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. And as you can see, she likes a blue. We love a blue moment. But yeah, this eyeshadow palette is amazing. It is so pigmented. The only eyeshadow that I haven't used is Lucky, which is the green one. But I like all the other eyeshadows, even the yellow, which you know, not everybody can do a yellow eyeshadow. I'm using the Warrior 3 by Juvia's Place. Let me open her up, and I'm using Candace, which is that purple right there in the middle. Now, fair warning, if you've never used Miss Candace before, she stains, as we can see. Let me tell y'all something. This is the third time I did this eye, and I said, Lord, because I got to talk to my Jesus. If y'all don't talk to Jesus, I don't know what to tell you, girl. Better get on it. I don't know what it is with matte pink and purple eyeshadows. They don't like me, and they especially don't like me when I put them together in a look. This is my third attempt. And I'm sure you can see, like, it is all up in my hair. It's all in it. Look at this. This is all pink eyeshadow. I had it all over my headband. As you can see, my fingers are pink. And look at all this. Look. These are wipes. You see all this? Look at all this. Wipes. So I had to switch up how I can you feel my frustration? I could have like been done with my face right now. You don't understand how long I've been working on this. But yeah, I had to switch up how I did it because normally I like to put the lighter color in my crease, and then I put the darker color on my lid and then blend the darker color up to the lighter color in my crease. Couldn't do that this time. I had to start with the darker color, blend it up, and then apply my lighter color in my crease. I don't like that way because I've tried it several times in the past and it just didn't work out, but I think this is torquable, even though, like I said, it looks it looks really bad on camera, and I've been talking for like 7 minutes now. So yeah, just a little backstory to what's been going on. So to make the eye shiny, I use this Flower. I guess it's Flower Cosmetics. I don't know. It just says Flower on there. Flower Warrior Glitter Eyeshadow in the color Poison. Okay, it's gonna look gross. I took the stopper, hold on. See, I took the little stopper out from the bottle because the way that this doe foot is shaped, it's almost too big for the hole, so it was getting stuck, and then I was trying to pull it out, it's getting stuck, and pushing it back in, it was getting stuck, so I just took it out. But yeah, it's a deep purple, and it has a shift of blue glitter to it. It is so pretty. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the bottle. I think it's just purple, pink, and I think maybe a little bit of gold or green or something. But let me turn it. But yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it. But it's super pretty. I'm gonna go in with some Candace. Okay, so then I stopped about there and went in with the pink. I mixed, what are they called? Rave and Totally together. So Rave and Totally. Rave is a true pink and Totally is a magenta. So okay, so now it's time to put the what is this called again? Glitter shadow on. Alright, so there's the glitter eyeshadow on both eyes. It oh wow, look at my, oh my gosh, look at my look at my fingers. Okay. But yeah, so there's the glitter eyeshadow on. It looks like it's a harsh line, but I promise you it's not. It's just the lighting and the iPad. She does me dirty. But we know this. So yeah, I'm going to go off camera and finish my skin darling. And when I come back, we will do final touches like lips and highlighter and all that. So I'll be back in a minute. Don't go nowhere. You see it. Girl. It took a lot to get here because thank God for editing, because girl, she went through some trials and tribulations. But she's here. She's arrived. So for highlighter, I used Elle's Pink Diamonds. I believe this is a baked highlighter, so it's going to be super, super thin. So this you will have to build up. I sprayed it with a little bit of my, what is this, Mario Badescu rose water. Oh, wow, the light really blows it out. There we go. That's what I sprayed it with. That's what, y'all should know what the bottle looks like. Everybody uses it. I just spritzed it a little bit and just took a blending brush. I took one of the Morphe blending brushes, and then I lightly, you can see right there, dusted it on, because like I said, it's a thin powder, so she needs a little help to get to there. Espresso lip pencil by NYX. It's just a dark brown pencil, nothing crazy. And then I use Maybelline. Is this Maybelline? Yes, Maybelline lipstick in the color Blushing Beige. I've had this lipstick for so many years, and it is one of my, oh, sorry, the light is really blurring out, but it's just a creamy beige color. And then I just used a little dab of this lip oil. I don't know why they call it a lip oil. This is a gloss, okay? And this is a treatment gloss. Girl, this stuff's so sticky. Anyways, but yeah, I just dabbed a little bit of that on this. Yeah, so, oh, my eyes. I did go in, because in the picture that I showed y'all, they don't have an inner corner highlight, but girl, no look is complete without an inner corner shimmer, because That's my thing. So for my inner corner, I used some of the Pink Diamonds highlighter, and then it wasn't giving me enough pop. So I went in with Makeup Revolution London in collaboration with Alexis Stone. This is the Transformation palette. And I used number 7 right here at the end. So it's just a white eyeshadow, and it has a shift to like a pink gold shimmer. But yeah, so I just mixed those two together, and that's what gave my inner corner. So yeah, definitely look out for pictures on my Instagram. You'll be able to see the colors a lot better, because like the light, and just because y'all are not directly in front of my light, you're off to the side. So I gotta figure out a way that I can put y'all in front of the light and not. Y'all don't care about that. So we're moving on. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this first video in this series. I cannot wait to film more. So I hope y'all are doing well. I hope your family are doing well. Y'all stay prayed up during this time. This time is really, really crazy. Wash your hands. Wear your face mask. Social distance, please. Please. Anyways, you better be drinking your water, sis. Especially now, girl. You gotta stay healthy. Drink your water. Stay in your lane. Mind your business. And take your vitamins.